Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is solve the number series. The number series is 32, 256, then 1024, 2048. So you are asked to find out the next number. So from these numbers itself, you can understand that they all are powers of 2. So if you see carefully, you can understand it. All of the given numbers are powers of 2. So let's see, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. Then 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256. Then 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1024. And 2 raised to 11 is equal to 2048. So what is the number series given? Here you can see 2 raised to 5 followed by 2 raised to 8, then 2 raised to 10, then 2 raised to 11. So what is the next number? So you can see a pattern here. So what is the pattern? So first 2 raised to 5, then plus 3. So the next number is 2 raised to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. The next number becomes 8 plus 2, that is 10. So 2 raised to 8, next number is 2 raised to 10. Then just plus 1 is happening. 2 raised to 10 followed by 2 raised to 11. So accordingly this pattern becomes the next number should be plus 0. So 2 raised to 11 should be the next number in the series, which gives you 2048. So by seeing these numbers itself, you have to understand that this has something to do with powers of 2. So that is the trick here. So by constant practice, within a glance, you will be able to identify all these numbers as powers of 2. And 1024 is equal to 2 raised to 10. You have to by heart that number. 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1024. Then you can easily recognize 2048 is equal to 2 raised to 11. So here the missing number is 2 raised to 11 or 2048. The second question, you have to find out the missing number. The series is 8, 4, 4, again 8, then 32. You have to find out the missing number. So here also you can see all these are powers of 2. 8, 4, then again followed by 4. Then 8, then 32, likewise it is going on. So how you can write? 8 is equal to 2 cube. So 2 cube followed by 2 square, then again 2 square, then again 2 cube is coming, then 2 raised to 5 is coming. You have to find out the next number. So can you identify any pattern here? So first from 2 cube it is reducing to 2 square. So minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 or 2 plus 0 is equal to 0. After minus 1, then 0 is the difference. Then 1 is the difference. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then 2 is the difference. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So these are representing the differences between the powers. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So next 5 plus 3 should come. Or 2 raised to 8 should come as the next number. 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256. So the key to solving these questions is to identify these numbers as powers of 2. Then it becomes very easy to solve. Thank you for watching.